Hello everyone, I am Richa Gaur from Quick Maths. Exercise 9.5, question number 8. Using fourth identities, it is fourth identity x plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now, according to fourth identity, if there are two numbers in the product form, then it can be written as x square plus sum of a and b and then product of AB. Now we will use this identity in the whole question. So the first part is 103 multiply 104. First we will identify both the numbers are closer to which number. So both are the closer to 100 first. So it is 100 plus 3 multiply it is 100 plus 4. So in this we have got this form x plus a and x plus b. Now in this form, what is x here? This 100 is x because it is same in both the brackets. The first term of both the brackets are same, that is 100, and this one is a, this one is b, both are different. So a is 3 and b is 4. So we can write here is x is 100, a is 3 and b is 4. Now just put the value on the right hand side. Right hand side means this is the answer. So we will put the value here. This is a solution. AB. X is 100, 100 square plus A plus B. A plus B means A is 3, B is 4 into X. X is 100 plus A multiply B. 3 multiply 4. So the answer will be, this is 4 times 0 because 100 square is 4 times 0 plus 3 plus 4, it is 7. 7 multiply 100, it is 700 plus 3 for the 12. So we will add them. This is 2 and this one is 1, next 7, next 0, next 1. So this is the required solution. 10712 is the answer of the product without doing any multiplication of three numbers together. Without doing much calculation, we will just apply the fourth identity, find out x, a and b and get the result. So the next is second part. 5.1 multiply 5.2. First of all, we will identify which number is closer to it. It is closer to 5. 5 plus 0.1 and next is 5 plus 0.2. So the form is x plus a, x plus b. Now using white color, I will highlight. This one is x, this one is a, this one is x, this one is b. So the solution is x square sum of a and b into x plus product of ab. We will just put the values here. So x is 5, so 5 square plus sum of a and b. A is 0.1, b is 0.2 and x is again 5 plus a multiply b, 0.1 multiply 0.2. So it can be written as 25 first, 5 square is 25. 0.1 plus 0.2, it is 0.3 multiply 5 plus 0.1 multiply 0.2. Just multiply 1 by 2. 1 to the 2. Okay. Now 2 places of decimal. This is 1 place of decimal. This is 1 place of decimal. So answer will be at 2 places of decimal. It is 0.02. So it will be 25 plus. Now this is 5 to the 15 and 1 place of decimal 1.5 and this is 0.02. So we will add them. It is 25.0. It is 1.5. It is 0.02. So we will add them and we get 26.52. The answer is 26.52 is the required answer. It is quite simple. Thank you. Now next part. Next part is third part. 103 multiply 98. Now it is also closer to, not it is, both are closer to 100. So we can write it as 100 plus 3 and it is 100 minus 2. It is 100 plus 3 and 100 minus 2. It is quite same, only the difference is one is negative. If we highlight it with white color, then this is x, this is also x. A is 3, but here B is minus 2. This is only the difference. So x is 100, A is 3, there is minus sign, so B will become minus 2. Instead of writing 2, we will write minus 2. Now the solution is same, x square, sum of both A and B and product of AB. Just put it here. The value of x is 100 square plus A plus B. A is 3, B is 2, x is 100 plus A into B. A is 3, multiply minus 2. So it will be 4 times 0 and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 100 is 100. This is plus 3 to the 6 and minus. With minus it will become minus 6. So we will write here minus 6. So the answer will be 100. Just a minute. Yes, this is 100. 100 minus 6. Minus 6. 10 minus 6, it is 4. It will become 9. It will become 0 and 0, 1. So this is the answer for this third part. Now, last fourth part is 9.7 and 9.8. It is quite simple. Both are closer to, we can say, 9. We can write it as 9 also and 10 also. We can write as 10 also because it is 10 minus 0.3, because they are much closer to 10. Instead of 9, we can write it as they are closer to 10. We can write it as 9 plus 0.7, 9 plus 0.08. It is also right, but if we recognize it accordingly, then obviously it is much closer to 10 instead of 9, because it is 9.7, 9.8, which is higher than 9.5. So 10 minus 0.3, it is 10 minus 0.2. So here, using yellow, this is x, this is x, this is A, this is B. So x is 10, A is minus now 0.3 and B is also minus 0.2. So the solution is x square, sum of A and B and product of A and B. Just put the values, 10 square plus A is minus 0.3, B is minus 0.2 into x is 10, again minus 0.3 and minus 0.2. So it will be, it is 100, 10 square is 100. So it is minus 0.3 minus, both are of same sign, means they will get added and sign will be of greater number, that is negative. So it will be minus 0.5 into 10 plus, it is 0.3, 0.2 multiplication. Neglect the decimal and negative sign, then it is 3 multiplied 2 means 6. First of all 6, decimal of 2 places, it will be 0.06 and minus minus means double minus, it is in pair, so it will be cancelled out. So it will be positive 0.06. So the answer will be 100. It is negative, so answer is negative. Negative is 5 by 10. It can be written as 5 by 10 into 10 plus 0.06. 10 will be cancelled out. It will be 100 plus 0.06 minus 5. So answer is 100.06 minus 5. 5.00 we can say. So it is 6, it is 0 and 10 minus 5 is 5. This one is 9, 0. 95.06, it is the required answer. So it is quite simple to get the multiplication of 2-digit number, even they are in decimal. So we need not to calculate the multiplication of both numbers and do higher calculations, heavy calculations. So we just recognize that what is the closer number to them, and then find out the solution using the third identity, or using the fourth identity. Both identities, third identity and fourth identity, are very important for examination point of view also. So thank you so much.